24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activity. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Let us learn about the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. This time, it's the 22nd letter, V. Use the writing board and write letter V. Open the book and talk about the scene related to letter V. Ask questions from the children. For example, what do you see in this picture? What is happening in this picture? Ask them to identify the objects that start with the sound V. Recognition of capital and small letter V and related vocabulary activity. Write capital letter V and tell the children that V is the 22nd letter of English alphabet. Then write small letter V, point to capital V and tell them that its name is capital V. Then point to small v and tell them that its name is small v. Sound of the letter remains the same, whether it is capital or small. Tell the children that they will be recognizing capital and small letter V. Learn its related vocabulary and write the capital and small letters V with correct formation. Start the lesson by telling the following story of letter V. A van full of vegetables stopped outside Vicky's house. His mom said, "Go and bring a few potatoes from the vegetable van." He was wearing a vest. Mom said, "First, wear a jacket. Don't go outside. It's cold out there." Vicky picked up his jacket and the vase on the table was about to fall down, but he quickly grabbed it. Ask the children to tell the words that start with the letter V. Yes, V. Violin, repeated 3 times. V. Was, repeated 3 times. V. Vulture, repeated 3 times. V. Vest, repeated 3 times. Write the letter V on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter V and it says V. Say the sound of letter V, V. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. V, V. Violin, V, V. Was, V, V. Vulture, V, V. Violin, V, V. Was, V, V. Vulture, V, V. Violin, V, V. Was, V, V. Vulture, V. Violin, V. Was, V. Vulture, V. Vest. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Tell the children V is a consonant. Group activities. Organize the students in different groups and perform the following group activities. Group number 1. Provide the students with flashcards of fruits, vegetables, and different materials and instruct them to do sorting of flashcards of fruits, vegetables, and things that begin with letter V. Group number 2. Provide the students with white sheet or plain paper and instruct them to draw things that start with letter V. Group number 3. Take the students to playing area and instruct them to cook some French fries in vegetable oil. Group number 4. Instruct each student to write letter V with correct formation. Paste the pictures they draw from letter V on their copies. Note: make sure every student performs group activity. Formation of capital and small letters V activity. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the capital letter V on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the first line. Draw a diagonal line downwards, touching the 3rd line. Then draw a diagonal line back up and touch the first line. Small v. Write small letter V on the middle lines and give instructions. Start from the middle and draw diagonal line touching the 3rd line. Now, draw another diagonal line back up, touching the middle line. Encourage them to write capital and small letters V in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Ask them to open their textbooks and write capital and small letters V with the help of dots. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize V. Reinforcement worksheet of capital and small letters V can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.